Alright, here's another practice problem. Now in this one, before I find the critical values, I want to find the domain. The domain of my function. Now let's think about this. This is a difference of two continuous and differentiable functions. So it's continuous and differentiable on the domain that works for both. This domain is all reals, this is all positives. Therefore, the domain is all positives. Okay? I start again by finding the critical points. So I find the derivative, and if I am doing this right, so the derivative does not exist if x is 0, but 0 is not in the domain. The derivative is 0 if and only if the numerator is 0, so 1. So if you think about it, I'm going to make a common mistake to start. I need to come over here and label this G prime. Okay. Okay. Now let's go. I'm going to pick 4. Okay. 4 minus 1 is positive over 4. Positive. The quotient of two positives better be positive. So there's the interval of increase. How about 1/2? Okay, 1 over a half is 2. 1 minus 2 is negative. Okay, if you have to, now you can come down here and just put a sign chart for G. You shouldn't have to, folks, but some of you will until you, since the derivative is negative, the function's decreasing. Since the derivative is positive, the function's increasing. So this right here is a local min. But you know, it didn't ask us for that, but we can practice that as we go. Alright, it just said find the intervals of increase and decrease. G is decreasing on the open interval from 0 to 1. Why? Because, the derivative, G prime of x, is negative on that interval from 0 to 1 open. G is increasing. Notice the only word I changed there was that from decreasing to increasing. I'll change that interval to 1 to infinity because the derivative, well, if it's increasing, it better be positive. Oops, off my paper. On the open interval from 1 to infinity.